Including the designs, for you don't have to buy. You just get it.
Kisumu County mangima kar chungo od burano ero maseme mabende orit kod Laktar James Wambura Nyikal kar chungo od bura kende mabende sani koro ntiere kod kanyo ero mabende tiege jopuonje mano Teachers Training College. Kabende lek maket kod maendi nochakore kotenore kod gombo mar jaod burano ero James Nyikal mareno ni dongruoge bura koro ne ochopo kar chungo od bucheno ero. Kabende ma en tich mabende osebede kipuoyo malich mokalo kod jodito e pacho kaendi anyato jolony e weche goeko mag somo mana kaka ipimonwa kod migosi Charles Ong'ondo ma en jataa tije e KICD.
I'm extremely impressed by the development going on in this institution. This institution is less than 5 years old. You can see they already have CBE compliant classrooms coming up. You can see they have a learning resource center coming up. You can see they have a functional computer lab which is equipped with the internet and has the capacity to have lessons transmitted directly from Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development and other providers that are able to offer those lessons.
Kata kamano jatend Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development KICD ero mano Charles Ong'ondo ne okokoso paro mopogore opogore kod jip mabende omiyo jaod burano ero Laktar James Nyikal.
I think we have shared that this college has a potential of being the best and the true reflector of competency-based teacher education. I've challenged Mheshimiwa that I know his hand is full, but if you want to get work done, give it to the busiest man. So I've challenged Mheshimiwa that what we need to have here is now physical education facilities. Can we have fields where these people can play? Can we have pitches? And in the modern world, we don't have to have a big field, so that these children can now start having the sports and arts pathway. And that means we can also think about other workshops, whether we talk about pre-technical studies, we talk about fine art, we talk about science. We need to have these fellows also now experience laboratory and physical training. But very impressive developments coming on.
Kabende migosi James Nyikal wuon to ne onyiso lek mabende osebedo go koda kar tiegruok jopuonje no ero kaka kamano owacho ni midhiero pod ntiere mabende gikaloe kogeno ni gibiro kalo midhiero go eko mbele kaendi.
Power outage and the bus, I think those were the main ones. Power we are going to address, not just for the college. When there's an outage, it is the whole area. So that's something we are going to address with the power people. A bus is something you put into consideration. That's a huge expenditure. It is desirable. They need it. So we'll have to find a way somewhere, somehow, of supporting them. But we want this institution to grow. As been told, the number is large. The students go out, so they need the bus.
Kabende migosi Nyikal koro ntie kod lek ni katich bro biro rumo Teachers Training College maseme ni eri bro chalo nade.
When it is done, it will be a center of excellence for training of teachers, including early childhood education and special education.
That's okay to you?
That's okay.
En wach mabende koro weyo mor komieno lela wang jotiegre mabende yudo tiegruok e Teachers Training College maseme ni eri kanyakla koda Seme duto kagintie kod geno ni gibiro bedo koda Teachers Training College no ero maberie malich mokalo mana kaka ipimonwa kod Mikael Loren Mokaya mabende japuonj maduong' Seme Teachers Training College kono.
I'm honored to have hosted the CEO Kenya Institute of Curriculum Development, and then our area MP, who is always checking on us, has this college at heart. And I know most of the things he has promised here, he will do them. Yeah, I've enjoyed working in this institution, and I look forward to more things working with Mheshimiwa and other stakeholders.
Nyakoro mogi magie moko kuom dongruoge go eko mageno ntie ni koro bro dhi nyime kod loko sorano ero mar kar chungo od bura eri maseme e yono ero makare. Kabende koro joket mwandu mopogore opogore ikwayo ni mondo omiyo yuor onyal keto mwandugi e tung piny seme no ero mopogore opogore. Nyikal TV kuok e kar chungo od bura eri maseme, an Justus Adoyo.